Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime, and today I got a package from Garhauer Marine in Upland, California, and it's just an unboxing video. I had to open it to check, make sure it was the right package, right thing that I ordered. So this is an unboxing video for this. This is my rope boom Vang that I bought from Garhauer Marine. They're in Upland, California. Just about, I don't know, 60 miles away, or maybe 30 miles, I don't know. It's out there in Upland, not too far away from LA, from where I live. So we have it's the rope boom Vang. It comes with 50 feet of rope, and then the two pulleys. It's a 4-in-1. It is stainless steel. It's a 4:1 ratio. This boom Vang is also going to double as my ascender, so I can work on my mast, work up on my mast as well. So we're going to pull these out of the bag, and I'll show you. So this company, Garhauer, they make very good quality equipment. Their stuff is phenomenal, and it's reasonably priced. It's not bought another thousand like Schaefer or Harken. Even though they make good stuff, Schaefer and Harken, and just to me, are just a little bit expensive for what you get. But this is I guess this is, I don't even know what this is. Whatever this is, it's a pulley with a cleat on it. And this is another one. I have to look at the pictures and how the rope is together, so I don't really know how to do it. And then we got 50 feet of rope. This was only $180 plus tax, was $193, and I got free shipping from Garhauer Marine. You see there, Garhauer Marine, or just Garhauer. They are great. They have great customer service and excellent quality products. I believe majority of their products are made in California or made in the United States, which is good, by USA. And yeah, so this is the rope Vang that I bought. It's also going to act as an ascender for my mast as well when I need to climb my mast. And I'll figure out how to do that. It's got good construction. It's got the shackle's actually got a pin going through it, so you screw it in. It's got a pin going through it, which is good. And this one's got a pin going through it too. So, and I believe that the rope already comes spliced on the end. I think there's a splice on here already. It's been double braided spliced, I believe. Let's see if that's true. I think it does come spliced. Yep, it does. It has a double braid splice on it already. So that's I guess presume that will look on the bottom of that there. So I'm going to figure out how to assemble this, and if I can, I'll make a video on it. But if not, I'll just show you the end result. But this is the Garhauer rope boom Vang. It says a 2,800 pound loading for it. So there's nice clear bearings. Wow, this is good stuff. I don't know if you had to oil these or not, or put some sort of a lubricant on them, dry lubricant. So we'll figure it out. I'll see what happens. Or maybe just water. They get wet, I guess. I don't know. But these are pretty good. Maybe this is a little bit oversized for my boat, but you know what? I'd rather have bigger than smaller. Like my anchor. My anchor's bigger. It's a 25 kilogram anchor. And I have a 33-foot boat. So I thought, you know what? I'd rather go bigger than smaller. So anyway, this is SY Sublime. Fair winds, temperate seas. Margaritas and sandy toes. Catch you later.